Okay, today we are very excited to show you some of the lettuces that we grown from seed. So over here, you see that we actually have the red lettuce, and here we have the green one. Now, these both are actually grown in soil. So you can see the pots here. They are grown in soil, and we grow it from seed. So this is actually a very good growth. So we're going to zoom in to show you how beautiful it is. So you can see here the leaves have tones of red and green and so large. There's so much leaf form in just from one seed. This is a very wide diameter. This is almost like 15 to 16 cm in diameter. You can't get this kind of lettuce in the supermarket. If you can, now let's look over to the green one. This is a very huge head of lettuce. Just look at this compared to the size of my palm. It's so big. Again, the diameter is close to about 16 cm. And look at the wonderful large leaf. We grow it from seed in soil from organic farming practices. So join in our urban farming courses where you learn to grow produce like this using very good approaches.